Ah, everything you have already learned, right? So, do you know how to read the numbers from 1 to millions? So, that is your first lesson. Did you learn it in that book? No. Still don't. Okay. Let me first download the um, lessons. Give me 1 minute. I'll download the lesson. You have done it. Okay. So let me share my screen now. As a revision, we'll do this first. Okay. Now you can see my screen, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll do each and every question and we'll discuss the lessons as well. If anything is not clear, let me know. So I'll explain. Alright. Now, first question is they have given write the numerals for the following number names. That means we have to read these questions and we have to read these numbers and we have to write the number in number format. So first question is 64. Okay. You have written it as how do you read the numbers? Is it in thousands or did you do these ones? No? Okay. Then I'll first go through with this. Still I can't figure out. Wait. Hmm. Okay, now this one. For the first lesson, you have done already these ones, right? Okay. Now in numbers, what do you know?
1 to 1000 only.
1 to 1000 only. Okay, 1 to 1000 only. So in these ones, what they have done? Okay, so for the first question, what you have done? So they have asked us to tell me. They
They
have asked us
want
to
us to complete the table.
They have asked us to complete the table. How do we read these kind of numbers? So for the first number is what?
7851.
7,851. Have you heard about the place number, place names?
Yeah.
Yes. So one belongs to which place?
Thousands place.
Thousands. One is not thousands.
Ones place.
That is ones place. Yes, because here we read this number as 7,851. No? For the rightmost value, if I show you, okay, in here, one is belongs to ones. The place value is one. Okay, then five belongs to what?
Tens.
5 belongs to tens. 8 belongs to
Hundreds.
hundreds. Then 7 belongs to
Thousands.
ah. If it's in thousands, the place value is how much?
7,000.
7,000. Yes, then here we have the 8. Then the value of 8 is 800. Okay. Then if it's 5, now 5 is in tens, no? In tens place, ne? Ehena, for the value of 5 is how much?
50.
That is 50. Very good. Okay. Can you do one thing? Can you put the topic as numbers in your book? Numbers. Numbers. Put the topic as numbers. Okay. Once you put the topic, put the topic as numbers. Put the topic as numbers. Then write this number 7,800 and 7,851. 7,851. And write the name of that value. Write the name of this value in the next line. 7,851. 7,851.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Then put an arrow and write this one is in which place? Ones place. Here you have to write it as ones. You know, right, how to write ones? Okay, can you write the places? This one is ones, ones place. Then 5 belongs to uh, tens place. 8 belongs to hundreds. And 7 belongs to thousand. Write that one as well.
Done,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. Then you told me that the place values of this one is 1 kilo. And you told me that the place value of 5 is 50, right? But that is incorrect. Because for the place values will be, if it's in 1, if it's in 1's place, then the place value is 1. For the 5, 5 belongs to tens, ne? Then the place value of this value is, the place value of this is 10. Hare, habai, for this 8, the place value of this 8 will be 100. Then the place value of 7 is 1000. Okay? The values you told me is the value of the digit. 1 is 1. The value of this 5 is 50. Then value of this digit 8 is how much is it?
800.
800. Value of this 7 is
7,000.
7,000. But when they ask us from the place value should be 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Those two are two different terms. Place value and the value of the digit. Okay. Can you write that as well? For the place value then we have to write 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Write that one as well. Now I am giving you some questions. Okay, have you completed that one? Did you write the place values? Okay, first complete it. Place values 1, 10, 100, 1000.
Done, teacher.
Done? Okay. Then after that, just write the value of the digit Kela. Then write those values as well. You know, no? Okay. Write that one as well. Value of digits. Value of digits. Value of the digit. Kela, you have to write the values. That is 1, 50, 800 and 7,000. See value of the digit. Here they have given us value of the digit Kela Livua. Once you wrote it, then you can write the values 1, 50, 800 and 7,000. Okay.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Then let's do these questions first. Can you see the worksheet? No, still not. Okay, let me share the worksheet. Okay, now you can see, right? Okay, can you do the first 8 questions? It's easy. Place value of digits. Okay, let's do. Place value of digits. For the first one, second one, third one, you can easily do. For the first one, what is the place value? Place value of digit. Value of the digit they are asking. What is the value?
1000.
For the first question. So how we read this number?
4305.
4305. Then they have underlined the value 3. Ne? Okay. Then write down the value of the underlined digit. What is the value then?
3000.
3000? No, because we are reading this number as
300.
300. Yes, that is correct. So the value is 300. Yes. So for the second question, 7,000. How we read this number? 7,000.
123.
123. So the value of this 7 is?
7000.
Yes. Okay. Write the answers now. First one, second one, third one. So first 3 questions, is it complete? Third one, what is the answer?
It's
How do we read this number? Do you know how to read this number? How?
23,481.
See, now you know. No? 23,481. So the value of this 8 is?
80.
80. Yes. Fourth one also you can do.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So,
understand fourth one. 95.
95,000. How do we read this number?
95,769.
769. So here 9,000. 9,000. Ayyo. Okay. 9,000. So here it's not 9,000. Actually, it is 95,000. No? 95,769. 60. Oh, why it's not getting 60. I'll keep it like this. 69. So here what will happen? 95,769. This 9 belongs to this 9 belongs to what?
Thousand space.
This 9 No, always for this 9, this 9. I have marked it as in arrow, in an arrow.
Ones place.
Once, yes. This 6 belongs to
Tens.
tens. 7 belongs to,
Hundreds.
yes. 5 belongs to
Thousand.
thousands. This 9, the leftmost 9 belongs to, do you know what is the name we are giving? No. Then I'll write 10,000s. 10,000s. Okay, that is the new thing you are learning now. Thousands, 10,000s. This is the place. This is the place. What is that place name? 10,000s. Then the value of this place, value of this place will be, the value of this place is how much? 10,000. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, then you can write this number and mark this 9 and write it as 10,000 here. Okay, the place value is 10,000. The place name is 10,000 and the place value is 10,000. What do you think? How much is the value of this digit 9?
90,000.
Very good. That is 90,000. How do we write that?
90 and
See,
000.
right. 9 with 4 zeros. See, you are good name. I don't have anything to teach you. Okay, now write it. 10,000. Write the name as 10,000. The place value, sorry. Place value, place name as 10,000. And the place value is here the 10,000. And the answer for this question, that is the value of this 9 is how much? 90,000. Okay, take a note on that. Okay, done? Okay, now
For the fifth one also.
a fifth one also you don't know. Okay, I'll teach you. Now, this is how it works. Let me share my whole screen now. You can see both sides, right? Okay, now if I write it here, it's easy. So you also can understand it. Okay, now how to get, give me 1 minute, how to get the pencil. Okay, here we go. Okay, pencil is here. Now, in these questions, what you have to know is, this is how it will happen. Now, this is what? What is the value? 1. You can see my screen, right? This is 1. Dakota, we write it as 1. Okay. Then what is this number? That is 10. That is 10. That is 10. That is 10. Then what is this number? That is 100. Okay, let me write it again because I don't have enough. Okay. Here 1. This number is 1. Then we have 10. Then we have 100. So for the 100, we have this. For the 100, we have this number. Then after that, you know that we have 1000. 1000. So after 1000, according to this pattern, what is the next number? 10,000. Yes. We called it as 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Then you have the value. Next, what? We are learning for grade 5. We have to learn this number as well. How do we read this number? What do you think? So this one is thousands, no? 1000, no? Then we have 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Then this number will be 100,000. Yes. So this number is 100,000. I don't have enough space. 100,000. Can you take a note on this? Okay, take a note on this. So the ones values should write it like in a one line. So one, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Write the full name as well. Okay. Now that is done. We have to learn one more value. Do you know that value? No. That is, now here we have 1,000. Here we have 10,000. And then
100.
we have 100,000. We have one more value to learn for year 5. That is 1 million. 1 million. Have you heard that?
Yeah.
1 million nang. How we write that number? 1 million nang. There should be
3 0.
how many zeros?
4.
Not 4. See here for thousands we have 3 zeros. For 10,000s we have 4 zeros. Then for 100,000s we have 5 zeros. Then for 1 million, how many zeros we should have?
5.
5. If it's 5, then see, if it's 5, then we have the 100,000. So for this 1 million, we should have 6. We should have 6 zeros. Okay. We should have 6 zeros. Is it clear? So this number we called it as 1 million. 1 million. Okay. Rewrite this as well. Then I'll tell you how to read these numbers. If it's 1 million, then we have 1 and 6 zeros. Right.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Then now in this question paper, you did up until 4th one.
Yeah.
Okay. Then how do we write this? Let me clear this one first. Erase. Let me clear this window first. Let me. Okay. Now tell me for the 5th number, how do we read that 5th number?
510,000.
No. For the 5th one, so we have, see, 510, 510. Wait. 510, 912. How do we read this number? That is, now here we have ones. Here we have tens. Here we have hundreds. Then we have thousands. Then we have 10,000s. And at last we have 100,000s. So how do we read this number? 510,000. 500, see the pattern. 500, 510 thousands, 510 thousands, 912. Is it clear?
Yeah.
912. 900 and no need. 912. 12. 912. Okay. 510,912. Okay. First, write this number and write the name as well, because first we'll learn how to read these numbers. 510, 510,000, 912. 510, 912. 510,000, 912. Done? Okay. Then, now can you tell me the next number? How do we read? 748,274. See the pattern. 748,000. See, 748,274. Is it clear? Okay. Can you write this number and write the name as well? How do we read here? Okay. Read that one. 748. 748,000. This number. This one. Sixth one. 748,274. Okay. Done? For the previous one, it was what? 510,000, 912. Very good. Yes. Then, can you do the 10th one? Let me erase this. 10th one. Here we have the 10th one. How to read that number? This one.
129,068.
Sure. Niyama. Yes. Write that number as well. 129,068.
Then teach.
Okay. Then can you do the 14th one?
Okay.
Okay. Do the 14th one. 53,482. Okay. Okay. Write the value 53,482.
Then teach.
Okay. Now the new part, 7th question. How do we read the 7th one? It's a new question. It's a new learning. How do we write this? That is, this is the number. How do we read this number? That is 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. What is the rest?
10,000.
No. 1 million. Here we have 631.
631,000.
631,690. Only difference is for this one, we are adding 1 million part. 1,631,631,690. 631,690. Is it clear? Okay. First, write this number and write how to read this number as well. So now we are done with the first unit. The first unit is numbers to millions. So now we know how to read the numbers up until millions. Yes. So the 7th one, 1,631,690.
Then teach.
Done? Okay, then the eighth question, what is it? How to read this? 2 million
106,000.
106,000.
857.
Very good. 857. Then can you do the rest of the questions? Okay. Okay, let me share my whole screen. Now you can do these ones now. You do from 8th question to 16th question. Okay, do it.
Then teach.
Okay. All the questions?
One.
No. Eighth one is done. Okay. Do the ninth one.
Then teach.
Okay. So what are the place values of these digits? What are the values of these digits? So here we have 300. Okay. The value of the digit is 300. Then this one, that is 7,000. This one,
80.
80. This one,
90,000.
90,000. Very good. So this 5,
500,000.
500,000. Yeah, mine. Then for the sixth one,
4.
it's 4. Yes. Then this one,
600.
600. The eighth one,
2 million.
2 million. Yes, Niyama. So can you write the answers for this given question as well? Okay. We stopped from the fourth question. Then you have to do from fifth one to eighth one. Okay, do it.
Yeah. I did up to 8th one.
Okay. Then what about this one? Ninth one? What is the value? Can you do it from 9 to 16? Okay.
ഒട്ടാവ് മാലപ്പ
Okay?
Yeah.
In which question are you now? All ones are completed. Okay, so how do we read this number? 4 million. Just tell me, just tell me in loud. Ninth one.
4,874,236.
Very good. Next number.
129,068.
68. 11th one.
3,346,394.
Very good. 12th.
1,265,121.
Very good. 13th.
2,531,857.
Very good. 14th.
53,482.
Last two. 15th.
6,398,765.
Very good. 5 million.
710,549.
Very good. Very good. Yes. So here, what are the values of these digits? This is 4,000. Then next one,
60.
60. This one,
3 million.
3 million. This one,
2,000.
no.
Mm,
To have in hundred thousands. See, 2 is here. So the value is then 200,000. Okay, that is 200,000. So this one is 800. This one is 50,000. This one is 8,000. Last, we have 700,000. Okay? Okay. Check your answers as well. Check with the answers what I received. All are correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then that's fine. Then now we are going to do the addition. You already know these ones. Shall we work on this once? So I'll explain you few things. Remember, when you do the addition, what you have to do, you have to write all the place values in a line. That means, see, 217,583. We have to add 300. See how I wrote it. So I wrote the ones in a one column. And then for the tens, again in a one column. Then hundreds, again in a one column. So for us, it's easy if we wrote the numbers like this. Then how do we add these ones? First, we have to start from ones. 3 plus 0,
3.
3. There's no any carry forward values. Here we have 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0? 8. Again, there's no carry forwarded. 5 plus 3?
8.
8. Then here we have 7. There's nothing to add. So 7, 1, 2. Okay, shall we do these questions? 17th to 21. Hmm. First 5 questions. Let me large it. Okay. So remember, you have to write the place values one after the other in a column. Hurry. Okay.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Then how do we do these ones? All the 5 questions are completed. Sure. Never mind. Okay. Then I'll show you how to do these ones. We'll check the answers. So here we have 29 and then 50,000. So then if we add these two together, 9 plus 0, 9, 2 plus 0, 2, 0, 0, 5. So the number is 50,029. Then third one, we have 3,81,352. 352. Then we have to add how much? 4,000. 4,000. Then 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 8, 0, 3. We have the number 3,085,300 and 352. Okay. Is it also correct?
Yeah.
Niyamaini. Then for the next one, 435,974 plus we have to add 6 millions. We have to add 6 millions. Then 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 0, 7. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 4 plus 0, 4. Then we have 6. How do we read this number? 4,335,974. Okay. Now the last question. Last question means here the last question. Why it's not clearing out? It's clearing out. Yes. Okay. The last question of this addition, that is 52,806, and we have to add 2 million for this. 2 million for this. How do we add this? 6 plus 0, that is 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 0, 2. Then how do we read this? 52,806. 806. That's how we read this. Shall we do the subtractions as well? You know, right, how to do the subtractions? Okay. From 22 to 26.
I'm done.
Okay. Okay. So, now how do we do these ones? 493,240 minus 60,000. Then again we have to start with the rightmost one from the ones side. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0,
3.
3. 9 minus 6, 3.
3.
Then 4. How do we read this number? 433,240. Okay. Then the next one, 1,720,418 minus 400. Then 8 minus 0, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 0, 2, 7, 1. The answer is 1,720,018. Okay, both are correct? Okay. Then we have 5,379,161 minus 3 million. Always write the numbers with the correct place value. With the correct place. So here we have 3 zeros. Then 1 minus 0, 1. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. How do we read this number? 2,379,161. Okay. Then the last two questions. 407,427 minus 2,000. Then the answer is 7 minus 0, 7, 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 2, 5, 0, 4. Then the answer is 405,427. Okay. Then the last question. One million 864,695 minus 500,000. Then we have to start with the rightmost one. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 1. How do we read this? 1,364,695. Okay. Shall we do the last question and then finish? So this is the last question. Do you know ascending order and descending no order? Have you heard about these two?
Yeah.
Okay. What is ascending order and what is descending order?
Ascending order means big to small.
Ascending order means small number to larger number, big number. Okay. Ascending order means ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big. Okay. Then descending order means the other way around. That means big number to small number. Can you take a note on that? Okay. Just take a note on that so that you will not forget it. Okay. Shall we do the last 4 questions? Oh. This one. Write these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to large number. What happened? Did you do the first one? 27th. What is the what is the answer?
100, 100, 800, 1839,
Okay.
1893,
1893. Okay. Then
1938,
1938.
33,
1983, right?
38,
Okay, 38. And the next number is 1983. Okay, that is correct. Then the second one.
23,464.
23,464.
24,343.
24,343.
24,336.
24,000. See, for the second number, we have 24,343. Then as you said, the third number, we have 24,336. Here we have 36. Here we have 43. So what will happen? What is the largest number? Is it 24,343 or 24,336? Let me.
24,336.
No. See. See, this is how it works. 24,343. That is one number. The other number is 24,336. Now everything is clear, everything is same except the last two digits name. Here we have 43. Here we have 36. So what is the largest number? What is the smallest number?
Smallest is 24,336.
Right. So then here the answer should be what? So in this question, this value should be 24,336 and then 24,343. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, the next number is 26,334. 29.
I didn't do it. Teacher.
Okay, you didn't do it. It's a little bit hard, right? Can you check? Okay, let me do it. So this is how it works. Now, the best way is to write everything one after the other. So it's easy for us to figure out. First number is 155,175. Then the second one is 155,717. Then 155,177. Then we have 157,157. Oh, okay. Now these are the four numbers. What are can you tell me the two smallest numbers? Last two smallest numbers. So you can see here we have 157,000. But here we have only 155,000. Here we have 155,000. Here we have 157,000. So 157,000 numbers are larger than the 155,000 numbers. Is it clear? Then we selected that these two are the smallest numbers. Because 155,000, here also we have 155,000. Out of these two numbers, what is the smallest number and what is the larger number? Out of these two,
The smallest number is 157,157.
no. Out of these, so 157,000 numbers are larger than the 155,000 numbers. So, see, here we have only 157. Here we have 155. Out of these first three digits, if we compare the first three digits, 157 the largest or 155? Only if we consider only 157 and 155, these three numbers, then what is the largest number?
157.
Ekane. So then the smallest two numbers are these numbers. 155,717 and also 155,177. Now tell me, out of these two numbers, what is the most smallest number? So to compare on that, now the 155, let me open it. Okay, now you can see. So here also we have 155. Here also we have 155. Then we just need to compare only the last three numbers. Now what will happen? Here we have 717. Here we have 177. What is the smallest number? What is the largest number?
177.
Yes. Then the most smallest number is 155,177. Then after that, the next smallest number is 155,770. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now, then we have to compare these two numbers. Here we have 175. Here we have 157. Then the next larger number is 157,157. Last, the largest number is 157,175. That's how it is. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Write the answer. That's fine. It is a new thing, ne? And also for the 6 digits numbers, ne? That's fine. When we do more questions, you will get familiar with these ones. So the things we did today, is it clear for you? Are you okay with the lesson?
Correct, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Then we have one more question. The last one, did you do?
No.
No? Okay. By looking at this, you should be able to check. This one is easy. What is the smallest number?
8,282.
Yes. Then next.
22,000.
No. We have 20,000 number. See this.
20,808.
20,808. Then
22,800.
no. Here we have 22,008 and here we have 22,028. So what is the next smallest number? 22,008. Then we have 22,028. Is it clear? Okay. Then then that's it for today. We can continue next day onwards. Hope you learned something today. So if you have any questions, you can ask from me next day. I'll send you some tunes to do when you have like free time. You just do these ones, the practice questions. Okay? Okay then. Thank you so much for joining. See you next day. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.